Hi, my name is Sarah with Facial Beauty Dental, and today I'd like to talk to you about root canals done at our office. A root canal is treatment to repair and save a badly damaged or infected tooth instead of removing it. The doctor removes the infected pulp and the nerve of the root of the tooth. After he cleans and shapes the inside of the root canal, then he fills the canal and seals the space. A core is placed into the tooth and a crown is completed either that day or at another visit once the root canal is finished. When you remove the middle of the tooth, the stability is gone. The tooth becomes brittle and can easily fracture. Therefore, a crown must be completed to restore the tooth to full function. Decades ago, root canals were often painful, but with advances in dental and local anesthetics, this treatment is as simple as coming in for a filling. In some cases, if the tooth is infected, you will be placed on an antibiotic before the procedure. After a root canal is completed, it is best to chew on the opposite side for a few days, as the tooth can be achy with instant use. To avoid needing a root canal, it is best to come to your checkup visit and catch any decay early. Most root canal visits are completed in 1 hour or less. If necessary, you could go back to work after the procedure. For more information on how we can provide for you a root canal, please call Facial Beauty Dental today, where a beautiful smile increases your face value.